Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic, use headings to show hierarchical relationship of content. Headings H1 through H6 elements are horse tags that help provide a structure and labeling to your content. A screen readers can be set to read only the heading on page so the user gets a summary. This means it is important for the heading tags in your markup to have semantic meaning and relate to each other, not be picked merely for their size values. A screen reader can be again a screen readers can be set to read only headings on the page so the user gets a summary. When a blind person or a person who can't see clearly wants to see capture all the heading, then it can be easily done if we are using heading tag for all those headings. This means it is important for the heading tags in your markup to have semantic meaning and relate to each other, not be picked merely for size values. अगर साइज वैल्यूज बढ़ाना है तो वो CSS से हो सकता है, तो उसके लिए हेडिंग टैग का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए. ये सेमेंटिक मीनिंग प्रोवाइड करता है हेडिंग. Semantic meanings mean that the tag you use around content indicates the type of information it contains. If you were writing a paper with an introduction, body, and a conclusion, it wouldn't make much sense to put conclusion as a subsection of the body in your outline. It should be its own section. Similarly, the heading tags in web page need to go in order and indicate the hierarchical relationship of your content. Heading with equal or higher ranks start new implied sections. Headings with lower ranks start subsection of the previous one. So अगर हम हेडिंग इक्वल और या फिर हायर रैंक का यूज कर रहे हैं, यानी कि नया सेक्शन क्रिएट करेंगे. अगर हेडिंग्स लोअर रैंक का यूज कर रहे हैं, यानी कि सब सेक्शन क्रिएट करेंगे. और ये सब सेक्शन होगा प्रीवियस जो हायर या फिर हायर जो हेडिंग है उसका. As an example, a page with an H2 element followed by several subsections labeled with H4 tags could confuse a screen reader user. With six choices, it's tempting to use a tag because it's look better in the browser. But you can use CSS to edit the relative sizing. एग्जाम्पल के लिए एक पेज है, उसमें H2 elements followed by several sections labeled with H4 tags would confuse a screen reader because it's missing H3 tag. So we can always change the size with CSS. One final point. Each page should always have one H1 element, which is the main subject of your content. This and the other headings are used in part by search engine to understand the topic of the page. और H1 एलिमेंट जो हमारे पेज पर रहता है वो यूज किया जाता है ताकि मेन हेडिंग को रीड कर सके, सर्च कर इंजन कैप्चर कर सके. और कम से कम एक तो होना ही चाहिए हर एक पेज में. Should always have one H1. So challenge, Camper Cat wants a page on his site dedicated to becoming a ninja. Help him fix the headings so his markup gives semantic meaning to the content. and shows the proper parent child relationship of its sections. Change all the H5 tag to the proper heading level to indicate they are subsections of H2 ones. Use H3 tag for this purpose. So first है H1, how to become a ninja. There is no problem. Main heading in H1. Second heading inside main. H2, learn the art of moving stealthily. And then the heading should be H3, and this also H3 for how to climb a wall and how to hide in plain sight, and just like that here also closing, learn the art of battle, and in this also H3 H3 and H3 closed both section, H3 H3 and H3 closed, H3. So your code should have 6 H3 tag, 6 H3 tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your code should have 6 H3 closing tag, वो भी है. Your code should not have H5 tags. I have removed that. Your code should not have any H5 closing tags. Also removed. So run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.